Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev coming to you. Let's go bash the S912 Luctan in the skate park.
My job for my whole block. I cannot slow down. Nigga, I won't stop now. Motherfucker, this is my time.
Oh no, the gears are gone now. Let's fix them, guys. With bashing any RC, guys, you're gonna have numerous consequences. I have had a lot. These are some of the gears that are busted, chipped off, stripped. A couple of servos here, a few joint cups. The major thing is I have a couple of body parts that are damaged as well. So bashing is something comes with stuff like this, so get ready to fix it, guys, and that's what we're gonna do today at RC Overdose. This RC comes with a lot of different screws, and this is a list of them. Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev coming to you. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is take off the 4 screws in the very bottom here in the rear of the car. You can take off this cover from here. So that case is off now. Next thing we do is take these 2 screws off from here, the back part. And you can see that part is free now. There's 4 screws in the back here. So you take them off like that. 2. This is free. The metal links can come out. Just 2 more screws left in the bottom here. And then the next thing you do is take off the 4 screws in the back. So now that is free. We'll put that on the side because we don't have to work on that whatsoever. Now this gearbox has a problem. So I'm going to show you how it sounds, guys. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the car. Something is wrong. Now you can take the easy way. You can order one of these parts. So this is a fully assembled brand new transmission box. It comes with greased like all the gears are greased in it, the differential and everything. So you can take the easy way out and just screw this back on here and your car is good to go. But if not, if you want to open this up, you can do that too. So let's just open this up right now and see what the actual problem is inside. Alrighty, so the motor is free. Let's check the long gear. Here, what to do? This is, you pull this to the left and you take something like that and then you push this gear out from the back and there you go, the long gear is out. So there's a bunch of grease on here, but if you guys can see, the long gear is the broken one. Look at that. So these are all the damaged long gears. This is the newest one, you can tell, the least used, and the rest are a little bit used, but they're all broken. Keep these fresh gears aside so we can use them for later on use. And I'm gonna simply change the transmission box and fix my RC today. Guys, so that's the new transmission box, and I'm gonna simply install that here. And Marl is good to go. The RC is fixed. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose. Hope you have a great day. Peace.